guys, here's Madam OK. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for being a part of it. If you enjoy watching the videos, please don't forget to subscribe as well as to hit the like button. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye! Hello guys, here's Madam OK and today we will be working on the cityscape during the winter or summer. To create this beautiful artwork, we will need watercolors, of course watercolor paper, for sure Sharpie, a black one I would recommend, the ultra fine point, maybe for the windows the highlighter, the yellow one, and if you want to have a snow, certainly either acrylic or tempera white paint. Otherwise, when you don't have, and the ruler, in case when you don't have any watercolors at home, no problem, simply use the piece of paper of similar scale and proportions and then use the pencil crayons and you still will have lots of fun. So let us start with the idea of applying one-point perspective to our cityscape drawing. So the first what I have to do is to create the line that will divide the ground from the sky. This is the good horizontal line, and when I will like it, and I do, I'll right away move to my marker. You can first do everything with, or the drawing part completed with the pencil. I right away move to the marker. If you again want to be more precise, make sure that you use the pencil. I will continue with the ruler. So I will create number of houses that will be of different height. So now I will do everything just by hand, by eyeballing. And it's shorter house, another one here. What about making a little bit wider houses like this, and another one coming here. Okay, when you feel more secure working with pencil, do it. Now, when we have the houses, I believe that we also need to have a nice cityscape with trees. So we need windows and doors. And the doors will be crucial. So I help myself to create something that will represent the windows. This. So I will create one row, maybe I want to have another one coming here. The most important, I have to start from something. Once I start, it will be easier to match like this. See, but just by hand. You don't need to be super precise, just good enough that we will recognize what it is. Door is crucial, and I will explain to you later on why. Notice the windows, you can still divide them into smaller section. Like this. And I like to have some roofs, just to make it looking more interesting. Like this. Maybe a couple of chimneys. Like this. One, two. They're just the blocks. And since we have the chimneys, we also want to have a smoke. Make sure that the smoke moves in the same direction, otherwise we will have a problem. Because now we want to create the path bringing us to the doors of those buildings, and I will make them a little bit more emphasized using 1-point perspective. So that means you want to represent yourself in terms of height and positioning. So I'm presenting myself standing here. Now notice what I will be doing. I will be going to each of the on the line that divides ground from the sky, from the buildings. I'm connecting the point of the doors. There are just 2 points that you have to connect. This point, and then I continue with the line here. 1. Notice very precisely. I have to really go precisely. So this is the path. Where's my point? Is here. I can't lose it. See, the point is there. I would even go right away with the marker. You can decide how you want to do it. If you want to first use the pencil, there will be my path. Those paths leading us to the door. See, we don't see yet a big difference, but you will see a huge difference once we reach the houses closer towards the dot. Good. Now we are ready to paint. In case when you want to work with the regular summer landscape, I will show you what will happen. Just we want to get rid of the point. If you work with the pencil first, make sure that you erase pencil lines before working with watercolors. Very good. Even before, I like to have yellow windows. Why? Because yellow represents the light. Now we can work with the blue color. I have purple and blue here. Let's see, that looks quite good. I like what is happening here. Just a couple of more dots, and I will experiment with a little bit of purple on the top, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Now we are moving to the buildings. I will be looking for some orange colors, especially on the roofs. And now the buildings. Which colors will we be using? We can use a little bit of brown. That should be okay too. We want to now move to the trees. So I will start with the yellow color. And then from there, I will move to some blues and greens. So, since we have those spots, I want to make them first, not exactly black, but grayish. So a little bit darker in the front and a little bit lighter going back to the houses. And we get to start working with different greens. Then I want to use a little bit of orange. And then maybe tiny bit of brown even on the bottom. Maybe a little bit more yellow, like this. And we should be okay. So we have to wait until the paper will dry. Let me see, maybe the door will make black. What do you think? Should we make the door black? You can do it also using the marker. If you want to emphasize certain parts, you still can. And then I would say with the windows, you can make them stronger. Let's see, just the last touches. If you feel that something has to be added, it's a perfect opportunity for you to do it. The door is okay. I like it the way it looks. Just would make those windows on the roof, emphasize them a little bit stronger. Should see. Oh. Yep. When something like that happens, you have to fix it right away. Voila, our artwork is done.